Understanding the kernel, the core of an operating system. In the world of operating systems, the kernel is the central component that keeps everything running smoothly. The kernel takes charge of managing the computer's memory, making sure that different processes don't interfere with each other. It also handles process management, allocating CPU time and system resources to ensure efficient multitasking. The kernel interacts with hardware devices, like input-output devices and disks, facilitating communication between software and hardware. File creation, deletion, reading, and writing are all handled by the kernel, along with maintaining the structure of directories and files. To keep things secure, the kernel enforces access control, protecting processes from interfering with each other. When hardware or software interrupts occur, the kernel steps in to handle them, ensuring smooth operation. The kernel provides an interface for software applications to interact with its services through predefined functions called system calls. Lastly, the kernel enables processes to communicate and synchronize with each other, ensuring data consistency and coordination. In summary, the kernel is the heart of an operating system, managing essential functions and serving as the intermediary between hardware and software components. It's responsible for maintaining stability, resource allocation, and overall system operation. Understanding the kernel, the core of an operating system.